Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. We're gonna start off with some green onions that I simply chopped. And we're gonna get them into our olive oil. Now, this is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, give or take. Once those brown up a little bit, we're gonna add in our garlic. Get that flavor mixed on in. And you already know, we gotta rain on them. Gotta hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. And hey y'all, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. Now we adding in our andouille sausage. Now, I have 8 squid bodies, so I only used about maybe a quarter pound of andouille sausage. But you know that will vary depending on how many squid bodies you have and how large they are. So let's get this browned on up. Now once our andouille starts to brown, we're gonna go ahead and we're taking the tentacles from the squid and we're just gonna chop those up right quick. Just give them a real quick mince. And then we're gonna add it to our sausage, y'all. Now I chose andouille sausage. You can choose any kind of sausage you like. Hey, the choice is yours, y'all. The choice is yours. But you know, hey, I'm a Louisiana guy. So, hey, I gotta have that andouille. So once we get everything browned up, we're gonna go ahead and get our meat inside of our squid tube or body or whatever you like to call it. Now I added a little bit of cheddar cheese to my meat mix. I didn't get it on camera, but hey, you can add you a little cheese, but you really don't have to if you don't want to. But I like a little cheddar cheese in mine. Stuff your sausage, you just want to push that meat down. Now you don't want it too packed, you want it kind of loose because you don't want it to bust when you start frying. Now once you get the squid tube filled, as you can see, I didn't go all the way to the top. We're gonna close it up with a toothpick. So yeah, once we get them all closed up, this is what they look like. And it's time to rain on them, y'all. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Now it's time to go ahead and get them in our batter. Now our batter is simply flour, baking powder, salt and pepper, and water. And once we get these all dipped out and ready to go, it's time to get them into that hot oil, y'all. Now this is some vegetable oil that's at 350 degrees, of course. Oh yeah, these looking good, y'all. Once you start getting that golden brown color, it's time to start giving them a flippy flip, y'all. Oh yeah, these gonna be yummy. Once they all golden brown on every side, oh my goodness. Let's get these up out of here, y'all. Let's get them up out of here. Now this is just like any other squid dish that you might cook. You know, like if you fried your squid ring, you don't want to overcook this, y'all. You don't want to overcook it. Mine spent approximately around 4 minutes in the oil. Hey, and they were tasty too, y'all. Check them out, y'all. Check them out. Oh my goodness. Let me cut one open. Ooh, you hear that crunch? That's what I'm talking about. I used the wrong knife for this. And I probably cut it a little bit too early because this thing is hot, y'all. A little bit too hot. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.